In this video, I'll guide you through how to put an answer key in Microsoft Forms so your quizzes can be graded automatically and consistently. This is especially useful if you're creating quizzes for a class, training session, or any situation where you want quick, accurate scoring without having to mark every response by hand. Let's start from the point where you already have a quiz question created in Microsoft Forms. Make sure you're using a quiz form, not a regular form, because the answer key and points features are only available in quiz mode. If you created a regular form by mistake, you can switch it to a quiz from the main Forms dashboard before you begin. First, open your quiz question, go to your Forms homepage, open the quiz you're working on, and then click on the specific question where you want to add an answer key. This will bring that question into focus so you can edit it. You should see the question text, your answer options, and the controls for editing. Next, select the correct answer. Look at the list of options you've written for that question. Click on the option that should be marked as the right answer. In quiz mode, choosing the correct option is important because this is what Microsoft Forms will use to automatically check each student's response. If you change your mind later, don't worry, you can always come back, open the same question, and select a different correct answer. Once you've chosen the correct option, click on Answer Key. You'll usually find this option near the bottom of the question area when you're editing. When you click Answer Key, the interface for that question will shift slightly. You'll see controls that let you confirm which option is correct, assign points, and sometimes add answer feedback. This is the part that turns your question from a simple survey item into an automatically graded quiz question. Now, assign points to the question. In the answer key view, look for the field where you can enter the number of points. Click into it and type the value you want this question to be worth. For example, 1.5 points or whatever fits your quiz design. The point value tells Microsoft Forms how much this question contributes to the total score. Make sure the number feels appropriate for how challenging or important the question is. If you have a mix of easy and hard questions, you might give more points to the more complex ones. After entering the points, double check that the correct answer is still selected and that the point value is correct. Then simply click away from the answer key area or move on to your next question. Microsoft Forms will automatically save your settings as you go. You can repeat this same process for every question in your quiz. Open the question, select the correct answer, click answer key, and assign the points. Once all of your questions have answer keys, your quiz will be ready to grade itself as responses come in. This saves you time and helps provide instant feedback to your respondents.